Dan Schmidt joining us now, back on the show. He's from Intermountain Health and Wellness. And the last time you were on, Dan, I had so many texts after, because we're talking about that skin just right here under your eye.
Yep.
And tightening the lids, tightening that, and without surgery.
Without surgery.
So people got so excited.
No downtime, very comfortable, no pain, and you'll see an immediate result.
Okay, so I didn't get to watch that segment, so I'm curious. What is this and how does it work?
Well, you'll see that's actually my eye on TV right there.
Oh, you're kidding.
I didn't like that. You know, as we start to get older, we start to lose that collagen elastin production, especially around the eyes. And so that's before and after one treatment. You can do multiple treatments, but you'll see, you're actually breaking down collagen elastin, so your body's now starting to rebuild the collagen elastin naturally.
Well, I see we're looking at the lid, right?
Correct.
I mean, look how drastic the changes.
Does it work
fabulous.
under the eye, around the eye, or just the lid?
All over. So
Really?
you actually do the whole face. So you'll see some pictures around the eyes, but really work from jaw all the way up to forehead.
Okay, so what is the procedure like?
Actually, all you do is lay there, very comfortable. You have a topical cream that you put on for the radiofrequency lotion, and then all we're doing is just a little, basically just a little warming sensation you're going to feel on your skin, and the radiofrequency is delivered into the skin, and it has an immediate result.
Dan, it's called Fractional RF. What does that mean?
Great question. Fractional means it's actually wounding one area and not another. So we're getting basically radiofrequency in one little area, not in another, one little area, not another, which is causing that immediate tightening. Then what happens is your body goes, ooh, I've had a mini injury, I need new collagen production. So our body starts producing collagen at a faster rate. After 30, our collagen production just drops like a rock. And so now what happens is we're keeping up that, more important than any facial, is to keep up your collagen elastin production.
Okay, so how many times do you have to get it done before you really see results?
You'll see a result right from the first treatment, but really when you start to layer it, doing multiple treatments, you'll even see a better result, because it's like going to the gym. You can have a result going to the gym once, but when you go a few times, exponentially it gets better and better, more muscle tissue, same thing with your collagen.
We were looking at before and after photos, and I even saw, does it change discoloration, or is this all for those fine lines around your face?
Well, you saw some of that because of you're actually getting new blood flow to the tissue.
Really?
So not only will it help with pore reduction, it will also help with softness of the skin.
Can I do this at lunch and go back to work?
Yes, you can.
Any downtime? Redness?
A little bit of redness. You'll see on that picture that we just saw there, just a little bit of redness, but that goes away within about 30 minutes.
This is incredible.
It's fabulous. Everyone in Hollywood does it. If you think they come in and they don't do anything, the lie is they do. You'll hear a lot of doctors talk about how they love radiofrequency.
Interesting.
On different shows.
Oh,
I can't.
we can't name them?
Well,
I don't know if we can or
I
not.
feel like you saw the results on the Golden Globes.
Right.
You do.
On Sunday.
And that's
because
exactly what they do.
Everybody looked incredible.
Well, that's my question. If I had an event, say, like next weekend, would I be able to go in and see results by then?
Yes, you would.
Really?
You'll actually see them the next day, and you'll start to feel it occur. I've done my eyes, in my face, so it works really, really well.
Dan, is this so popular because people want something a little less than surgery?
Yes. And not only, even if you do surgical procedures, the problem is you have less collagen when you pull that skin. So you still need new collagen production.
Oh, interesting.
So you need to keep up that collagen production. Otherwise, that's why once you do a facelift once, every few years, every 6 to 7 years, you have to re-pull it again because you have lost collagen elastin production. That's why it gets tighter and tighter and look more plastic and plastic.
Oh my gosh, I feel like this is the secret.
Does that make sense?
This is Intermountain Health and Wellness. Dan and I have talked about this. I know you have questions out there, so he's the one to ask. Go to our website for all of the information and to make an appointment. New year, new you, right? And you have a viewer special going on right now.
We do. The special is actually, normally it's $425 for a treatment. It goes all the way up to $800 in Hollywood. We're doing it for $149 for a treatment.
All right.
What?
That's
$149.
on your screen, along with the phone number 801-981-8795.
And not only that, I'm going to throw in a little something else for the GTU viewers, and that is you can get as many of those for $149 if you want. So if you want to go ahead and do one treatment, or you want to do 4 treatments, 5, it's going to be the same price. Not one of those things that I hold it over your head and say, it's going to be another.
How long do you have to go between the next?
About 2 weeks apart.
Okay.
And you would suggest how many for the
Really
average
about
person?
3 or 4.
Okay.
Phenomenal. The younger we are, the more collagen production we have. We don't have to do it as often, but the older we are, unfortunately, we have a little bit more deeper
I think
wrinkles.
you only need 2. Dan's like, some people might need 8.
Well, I'm about to make an appointment, so.
Thank you,
Come on
Dan.
in, love it.
Yes, thank you, Dan.
Thank
All
you.
right, stick around. I don't know if this is Tom and Giselle approved, but it's cabbage cups that Reagan's making in the kitchen.
Sounds like it's on its way. Either way. Now, still ahead, grab your adult coloring book. This new popular activity is relaxing, passes the time, and can even relieve stress. We'll tell you where you can pick up one for yourself.
Appliances for good things